is a mess. When I take out this bonnet, you'll see an old twist out that I've been kind of prolonging because I've been postponing wash day because I really haven't had the time and patience to do my hair. It needs to be done now, like today. I'll actually be reviewing the Cantu shampoo and conditioner. That's the shampoo, the conditioner. I really can't wait to wash my hair. It's so dirty. It's so dry and tangled. Like I can't move my hands through it. So the first step of my wash day is to rinse my hair with warm water. Since my hair is low porosity, the cuticles are closed tight, and so the warm water, the heat from that warm water just slowly opens those cuticles so that they're able to absorb the water. On this wash day, my hair was super tangled, so I decided to just wet my hair, have those cuticles open so that I can start the detangling process, the pre-poo process. Most times I pre-poo out of the shower, but on this day I decided to just wet my hair and pre-poo inside the shower. You can visibly see the droplets hanging onto my hair strands, and that's again because I have low porosity hair. And a little length check. Journey to waist length, guys. This is the Cantu shampoo. It's a sulfate-free cleansing shampoo. This is just a new bottle, but I'm pretty sure it's the same as the other one that I used to use. If you watched some of my old videos, the ingredients are really good for natural hair, for afro hair. And so the first thing I do is put my hair in sections and also pre-poo, like detangle my hair, because I prefer doing that before shampooing. If you've seen my previous wash days, you know what I'm talking about. And so I just literally separate those hair strands, remove the shed hair using a detangling product. And then right afterwards, I rinse out all of that product with warm water again. Throughout my wash day, I wash my hair and rinse and do all that using warm water because this is best for my low porosity hair. So as you can see, all the product rinses out and it's time for shampoo. This shampoo has a really creamy texture and it's also not too thick, which is really perfect for washing natural hair. I lather this a bit between my hands and then I apply it to the scalp area and the roots because that's the place I want to focus on when washing. This product doesn't contain mineral oils, sulfates, paraffins, silicones, parabens, phthalates, and propylene glycol, and so it's really nourishing for type 4 natural hair. The unique shea butter formula really nourishes the hair, and so it overall reduces breakage and it also gently removes heavy buildup. If you saw my last body care video, you saw this silicone bathing brush. The other side of it is a scalp massager, and so I use this to just gently massage my scalp area. In one of my previous videos where I talked about scalp massages, I explained how this increases blood flow to your scalp area and this overall increases healthier hair growth from your scalp area. Oh guys, this felt so good. And of course I rinse it afterwards because I love keeping my stuff clean. This shampoo lathered really well and left my hair really clean because even though my hair is in twists, that shampoo cleaned my hair strands. I thoroughly rinsed this out with warm water, despite many other creators saying that it's good to rinse out your shampoos with cool water. That will just close up my cuticles, and I need my cuticles of my hair open so that I can deep condition and the product can be absorbed. Okay? Yeah. This is the conditioner. It's like sulfate-free hydrating cream conditioner. It doesn't have mineral oils, sulfates, or parabens, so it's very good for curly hair, coily hair. And you guys know my hair is afro hair, so it's a mixture of coils and curls with lots of shrinkage. So yeah, I'm hoping the slip in this is the same as the other one like, you know, the old one. I just hope the ingredients are the same. I don't have the old bottle, so I can't really compare. I feel like conditioning and deep conditioning are the favorite parts of my wash day. So I just pick like a healthy amount in my hand and then rub that between my fingers and just apply that to my hair strands from the roots to the ends, and then slowly start finger detangling. I gently rake the product through and also run my fingertips along the hair strands. My curls and coils are already looking moisturized. And so this is how I finger detangle. I separate, work in smaller sections if I feel there's some parts that are still tangled up. And so I gently remove those tangles and shed hair. Once I feel like I can generally run my fingers through that section without finding any snags, I twist that up and put it away to keep it detangled. You can see the product appears whitish on my strands because, again, my hair is low porosity, so it will take a while to absorb all of that product, which is full of nourishing ingredients. And so I just move to the next section, do the same thing, split that section into half and slowly separate the hair strands from each other, remove the shed hairs. This conditioner had so much sleep. It was exactly like it used to be, despite the new bottle. And so despite the very front of my hair and the crown area being the most tangled areas of my hair, I was able to gently separate those strands, remove shed hair, and twist that up. This conditioner does not have a sticky feeling in any way. It also smells really good, you know, like the signature Cantu smell. This is a clip of how my hair looks like just after shampooing, really clean. Side note, I'm loving the length. You can visibly see from this clip how the conditioner restores moisture to my curls and coils, and how it makes it so easy to separate those strands that are stuck and matted together. This conditioner really restores, rejuvenates, and improves the hair texture and body of natural hair. The rich formula also really helps to hydrate and protect natural hair. I wanted this product to sit in my hair and absorb for like 10 minutes as I did my pamper shower, and so I put on my shower cape. And this is the hair I lost, you know, shedding and a little bit of breakage because at some point I got impatient. Whenever I use this conditioner, I notice how soft and manageable my hair feels afterwards. Over the past 5 years in my natural hair journey, I've been really trying to find staple products, and I can say that this combo is a staple. I enjoyed editing this. Stay tuned for my upcoming weekly content.